Hey yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and before I show you how to make this really adorable Rath candy dispenser, I would like to thank all of you yo fam for supporting me and for being with me this year. I hope that in 2021 you'll stay with me because there will be more Ben 10 creations, more DIYs, and more cool stuff that I hope you will enjoy. Now before I show you how to make this candy dispenser, massive shout out to these creative yo fam for sharing with us their creative inventions. You guys already know that it makes me really happy whenever I see a yo fam create something that is from this channel, so I hope that in the future I will see more yo fam who will share their DIYs. Okay, let's start making this. Begin by cutting all the pieces from the template. For these two colored pieces, we'll glue them to a folder. As for the remaining pieces, cut them out of cardboard. If you don't have a folder, you can simply recycle the covers of your old notebook or use any thin cardboard such as a cereal box. Glue these pieces to the thin cardboard and cut them out. The lower part of the mouth will be separated as it will be used to make a compartment for the candies. Grab these pieces and stick them together like so to make the candy wheel. Let's now make the body of the machine. Glue these pieces here to make the candy storage. Grab the bottom piece and glue these two together. Insert the candy wheel we made earlier. Cut out a 2.5 cm stick and glue it to this part. Stick this piece to this area. To make it durable, I suggest you apply super glue. Glue these parts together, and once that's done, set up the rubber band just as shown. It's almost done. Next step is to stick the front piece which has Rath's face. Glue the nose to the end of the stick just as demonstrated. Make the candy compartment. I painted this with black and as well as the inside of the machine to make it look neater. Finally, cut out this long piece to cover the machine. Once that's done, paint the remaining parts of the machine. As you have witnessed, it was really simple and easy to make this DIY invention. It only takes a few steps or so to make this, and it only took me 3 hours at least to make this, and that already included the making of the template, cutting, and filming. So if you were to make this, it won't take that long, especially with the free template I'm providing for this machine. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next year.